तो गाइज अगेन वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो गाइज जैसा कि मैंने आपको सर्कल पार्ट 1 में सर्कल के कुछ बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स बताए थे, तो आज मैं उसी पे बेस्ड आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस कराऊंगा। लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो गाइज हियर द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द डायमीटर एंड द रेडियस ऑफ अ सर्कल with the circumference is 6.28 centimeter and the value of pi is given 3.14. Now start. So C is equals to 6.28 centimeter. The formula of the C is 2 pi r is equals to 6.28. So here when we put the value of pi 3.14 into r is equals to 6.28. So the value of r is equals to 6.28 upon 2 into 3.14. 6.28 is directly cut by 3.14 by 2 times. So now 2 is cut by 2 for 1 time. So the r is equals to 1 centimeter. We have found the r. Now we will found the diameter also. So the formula for diameter is 2 into radius. Got it, guys? So when the r is 1 centimeter, so when we multiply 2 by 1, the answer will be 2 centimeter. So the diameter is also 2 centimeter. Got it, guys? Now let's see next question. To cover distance of 10 kilometer, a wheel rotates 5000 times. Find the radius of the wheel. 10 किलोमीटर की डिस्टेंस कवर करने के लिए एक पहिया 5000 बार घूमता है, तो उस पहिए की रेडियस क्या होगी? सो total distance covered in 5000 times rotation is equals to 10 kilometer. Got it, guys? Now we will convert the 10 kilometer into centimeter. So when we convert the 10 kilometer into centimeter, it will be 1 2 3 4 5 centimeter. Got it, guys? सॉरी 1 0 और लगा देंगे, ठीक है। अब हमें क्या निकालना है यहाँ पे? फाइंड द रेडियस ऑफ द व्हील. सो द डिस्टेंस covered in 1 time rotation, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 divide by 5000. Okay, guys? 1 2 3 1 2 3 zeros are cancel, and when we divide the 1000 by 5, it will be 200 centimeter. सो जो यहाँ पे 200 सेंटीमीटर निकल के आया है, यही हमारा व्हील का क्या हो जाएगा? सरकमफ्रेंस, यानी C is equals to 200. Now when the C is 200, then we will find the value of R. So formula for C is 2 pi R is equals to 200. So guys, R is equals to 200 upon 2 pi. That is 200 upon 2 into 22 into 7. Got it, guys? So here it will be 100 and here it will be 50 into 7 upon 11, that is 350 upon 11. And when we solve the 350 upon 11, that will be, the answer is 31.81 centimeter. That is the radius of the wheel. Got it, guys? Now see, the question number 3 is the diameter of a semicircular shape is 14 centimeter. So what will be the perimeter of the shape? So guys, assume that here it is a semicircle whose diameter is 14 centimeter. Got it? So the perimeter is nothing, is the circumference of any circle or any semicircle. So the formula for the perimeter of semicircle, that is circumference, is pi r plus d. So here the value of pi is 22 upon 7 and the radius is, if the diameter is 14, then the radius is obviously 7 centimeter. So when we put the value of r 7 plus diameter is 14, now 7 will be cut it, and 22 plus 14, that is 36 centimeter. We have got the value of circumference, that is 36 centimeter. Got it, guys? Now the question number 4 is a sector that is cut from a circle of a radius 42 centimeter and the angle of sector is 120 degree. So find the length of its arc and area. एक सर्कल से सेक्टर को काटा गया है जिसकी रेडियस 42 सेंटीमीटर है और जो सेक्टर का एंगल है वो 120 डिग्री है. सो हमें आर्क और एरिया निकालना है. मतलब सो द लेंथ ऑफ आर्क विल बी arc is equals to theta upon 180 into pi r. So the value of theta is 120 upon 180 into 22 upon 7 into 42. Got it, guys? So here it will be 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, and here it will be 6, and this is 3 2 is 6. So the answer will be 44 into 2. It means 88 centimeter. The 88 centimeter is the length of the arc. Now to find out the area of the sector, that is equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square. So the value of theta is 120 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 42 into 42. Got it, guys? So here it will be 3 and this is 6 and this is 2. So 44 into 42. When you solve this, the answer will be 1848 centimeter square. That is the area of the sector. Got it, guys? Now the question number 5 is the radius of the circle is 14 centimeter and the area of the sector is filled with water is 102.7 centimeter square. So find out the central angle of the sector. जो सर्कल की रेडियस है वो 14 सेंटीमीटर दी गई है और जो सेक्टर का एरिया है वो पानी से भरा हुआ है जो कि 102.7 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है. सो हमें सेंट्रल एंगल निकालना है, मींस हमें थीटा की वैल्यू निकालनी है. थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो गाइस, एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर इज इक्वल्स टू थीटा अपॉन 360 इनटू एरिया ऑफ circle. Got it? So here firstly we will calculate the area of circle. The radius is given 14 centimeter, so the area will be 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. 7 2s are 14, 44 into 14, that is 616 centimeter square. Got it, guys? So the area of circle is 616 centimeter square. So again, area of sector is equals to theta, and then the value of area of sector is given, that is 102.7 is equals to theta upon 360 into the area of circle is 616. So when we reverse the value, then theta is equals to 102.7 into 360 upon 616. When you solve the whole equation, then the value which will be find out, that is 60 degree. Got it, guys? You will calculate it. Okay. Now the last question is an umbrella that has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. So assuming the umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, so find out the area between the two consecutive ribs of umbrella. So guys, in an umbrella there are the 8 ribs. Okay, and the value for the whole angle of any circle, that is 360 degree. So firstly we will divide the whole angle, that is complete angle 360 by 8. So here 360 degree divide by 8, so it will be 8 4s are 32 and 8 5s are 40. So the value of theta is 45 degree. Got it, guys? Now assuming umbrella to be flat surface of radius, the radius is given, so we will find the area. So directly area is equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square, that is the value of theta is 45 and upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 45 into 45. So guys, here the 45 will cut the 360 by 8 times. Okay, now 22 into the square of 45 into 45, it means 25. Okay guys, and here it's 8 into 7, it will cut by 2, that is 11 and 4. Now when you multiply 2025 by 11, the answer which you will got will be 22275 divided by 28. Got it guys? When you will divide the 22,275 by 28, you will got the answer. Okay guys, so these are the 6 questions which are beneficial for all your circle chapter. So guys, उम्मीद करते हैं आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. सो गाइस, अगला वीडियो भी मैं आपको इसी पे दूंगा और उम्मीद करते हैं मेरा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और लाइक कीजिए. धन्यवाद गाइस.